Hi there, this is Gabriela. Okay, let's talk about another common question. How many keywords per campaign? Okay, for a small competitive niche, you can use 2-3 keywords, like something like, let me show you. On this one, we are, maybe I can take this out. I just using this for a sample, okay? For samples. This is one going to be my main keyword in this case. This is a really highly competitor niche. That means maybe I'm gonna use one for the home page and then use for inner page each one. But in this case, let's talk about like variations. Okay, Cancun Airport Transportation and Cancun Airport Private Transportation. 2 or 3 keywords per campaign, and usually 2 or 3 URLs with all this information. In this case, when I use more than 3 URLs, I change here, okay, and I put 2 or 3, depending on how many, but no less than 2. And for highly, like in this case, for case it's gonna be transportation service, maybe work with it first with one URL, and then the other ones with different URLs. Something I do a lot is citations. This is one of the citations for this particular business. What we can do is definitely I add here around 10 URLs, use another type of diagram, something with maybe this one, let me check, something for many URLs. We can use 1 through 12 always, but I like here. Oh, web, this one. I love this one, the theme. Okay, and the web 2, web 2.0 times 3. This is one really good one too. I love it for citation. When I use a lot, I use like 10 URLs, then usually 3 keywords. And then I create at least 20 for those citations. I put a block of 10, and I can maybe run in 3 campaigns for citation at the same time, because are gonna be for different citations, okay? But definitely try to keep it like this. It's a highly competitive niche. Use 1 keyword, one with 1 URL, and small or medium, you can work with 2 or 3 keywords with 2 or 3 URLs. I hope this helped you guys. Let me know if you have any question on the comment area. Okay, until the next one.